We have a special issue here, which is charging. Whenever I try to charge, it will show me this warning, and you don't want it. It's not enjoyable. So first, open up the setting. You can swipe down and tap on setting here, and go ahead and tap on apps, this one. After that, you will need to choose this drop down icon. From here, you'll need to select system apps and press enter. And after that, you'll need to tap here on search bar and type USB setting. This is the USB setting that you need to, and scroll down, and then you need to tap on storage. For that, try clearing cache, or try plugging the charger. You can see I have not connected my charger. Now I'm trying to connect my charger, and if it's still here, you'll need to clear the data and plug in the charger again. Alright, still showing this thing. Go back and hit storage and clear data this time. Now this time you will need to power off your phone by holding up the power, and then just turn off the power button and this, and it should power off your phone and restart your phone. Alright, I would recommend turning off the phone instead of restarting the phone. Alright, let me stop this video and I will be back soon. Alright guys, let me charge my phone and show you that it's working. So let me charge it. There we go guys, I'm charging my phone without any kind of moisture error. This is how you should be resolving the issue. Make sure to power off or it will not work for you. As you guys can see, it worked for me after powering off my phone and turning it back. This is how you should resolving this issue. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.